This is where singers come to binge videos all about making money with their voices without performing live. I'm Kimera Morrell, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see some more videos about monetizing your voice. I also share tips on vocal production, my favorite recording gear and software, how to set up your own home studio, and I post some cover songs too. So hit subscribe and then check out the playlists below. A little more about me. I went down a total rabbit hole and discovered 35 ways to generate an income as a singer, all without setting foot on a stage. I really just love hiding in my own home studio. You can grab that list for free in the description below and check out all the other resources I have to offer at singerssuccesspath.com. I've been the #1 singer for hire on soundbetter.com off and on for the last 4 years and have had great success in sync licensing, acapella licensing, sample packs, course creation, and even AI voice modeling, and much more. But before all of this, I was signed to Sony as a songwriter. And honestly, I really struggled to find success and happiness in the world of writing for Beyonce and Ariana Grande. It was highly competitive and stressful. So when I started making actual dollars as a demo singer, I was so determined to establish a more sustainable and practical career for myself. And I have a lot of fun helping other singers do the same. So please subscribe and be sure to connect with me in the comments of these videos. Please ask any questions you might have and feel free to request content as well. A great place to start is the playlist below called How Singers Make Money Without Performing Live. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope this helps.